and welcome to today's episode of the Tailour TV. My name is Bridget and your girl is feeling super excited. It's been the most amazing week ever. I've had the best feeling in the world. I've been happy, I've been fulfilled, I've been joyful from inside. Like, everything is making me happy, especially me, and everything is just great. Okay, I'm recording on my friend's birthday, which is today, so shout out to my friend, happy birthday. And she's looking at me now. All right, so let's jump right into it. And today I will be talking about your collection. I talked about this a little while ago. I'll put the link in my description box, but today I'll be talking about it from a different point of view. How to create your first collection. If it's not your first collection, your second collection, but you can use these tips to help you create one of the bomb collection. It's going to be so amazing, so make sure you stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and leave your beautiful comments. You guys rock. Rock. And firstly, evaluate and create your ideas. Creating a collection can be pretty difficult, and I mean that in the most honest way. You need to make sure that you are in that space where you are feeling yourself or you're feeling like a creative, so that you can create the best ideas. You put all of your ideas together. No idea is so small. Put everything together and you're going to come up with a bomb collection. So 2, develop a team. You really need to have a team for your collection. A lot of people think, or they have an idea of what a team is, but you really need to know what your team are. You shouldn't be doing a design and your colors are all over the place, your aesthetics are all over the place. You really need to have a team that would help streamline all of your thoughts together and help you to come up with the best collection ever. I can help you with this, but I won't. Okay, I'm joking. Just develop a team. 3, sourcing. You really need to source your fabric passing, trimmings, your manufacturer, your supplier. You really need to source them. Once you have an idea, it's easy to come up with different ideas. Our mind runs wild when we think about creating things, but we really need to streamline all the designs and say, okay, how do I get this and how do I get that? Because that's the only way your ideas can come together. Okay? And if you need help with manufacturers and suppliers and what have you, fabrics, hit me up or go to @Rasheed. 4th, reevaluate your designs and edit. We might be overwhelmed with designs and thinking, okay, this looks good, this looks good, I don't want to take this out, I want to take this out. And while you're doing this, once you're at this level or at this point, you should reach out to people who are in the industry or friends who you think have to help you reevaluate your design, so you are sure that you're coming out with the best final products. Okay. Lastly, sampling. You really need to get your samplings out. You need to reach out to stockists. You need to reach out to everyone you think might be interested in your product. You need to sample. It's more like a mini research. Have it go out there, make samples. Never create 10 designs of 10 or a 10-piece collection or a 15-piece collection. Make sure you're just making samples. When you make samples and you take it out there and you get the kind of response that you want, if it's good enough, then you start to produce. Or else, I think we should just stay up there, reevaluate and edit stage. Creating a collection is something everyone needs to do. Okay, maybe not everyone, but if you're a fashion designer and you want to get your brand to a particular point and you want to go on the runway or anywhere else, you really need to create collections. So if you want to have a successful collection or something you can be proud of, you should follow these tips and share with every of your friends you think would need it. Thank you so much for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, please like, and leave your beautiful comments. I want to talk to you guys. Thank you so much. Lots of love.